Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 foods that can harm your baby during pregnancy. So you should avoid these as much as possible. Pregnancy is a special time when everything you eat directly affects your baby's growth and development. Some foods that seem harmless can actually be dangerous for your baby. Today I will share 10 foods that you should avoid during pregnancy to keep your baby safe and healthy. Stay till the end as each food on this list is important for your baby's well-being. So let's begin. Number 1. Raw or undercooked meat. Eating raw or undercooked meat can expose you to harmful bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. These bacteria can lead to food poisoning, which can be dangerous for both you and your baby. Make sure to cook all meats thoroughly until there are no pink parts left. And if you eat outside, always check that the meat is well cooked before eating. Number 2. Raw eggs. Raw eggs may contain Salmonella, a bacteria that can cause severe stomach infections. This means you should avoid homemade mayonnaise, raw cookie dough, soft boiled eggs, and foods that contain uncooked eggs. Always consume eggs that are fully cooked, where both the yolk and white are firm. If a recipe requires raw eggs, use pasteurized eggs instead. Number 3. Unpasteurized dairy products. Milk and dairy products are essential for pregnancy, but unpasteurized versions can be risky. They may contain Listeria, which can lead to miscarriage, premature birth, or serious infections in newborns. Avoid raw milk, unpasteurized cheese like feta and blue cheese, and always choose pasteurized dairy products. Read labels carefully to ensure safety. Number 4. High mercury fish. Fish is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, but some fish contain high level of mercury. Mercury can harm your baby's brain and nervous system. Avoid fish like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish. Instead, choose low mercury fish like salmon, sardines, but only in moderation. Number 5. Raw seafood and sushi. Raw seafood, including sushi, oysters, and clams, can carry harmful bacteria and parasites. This can lead to food poisoning and serious pregnancy complications. Even if the fish is fresh, it's best to avoid raw seafood completely. If you love sushi, opt for fully cooked options like vegetable sushi or rolls with cooked seafood. Number 6. Caffeine in excess. Many pregnant women enjoy a cup of tea or coffee, but too much caffeine can be harmful. High caffeine intake has been linked to low birth weight and an increased risk of miscarriage. Doctors recommend limiting caffeine intake to 200 mg per day, which is about one small cup of coffee. Remember, caffeine is also found in tea, chocolates, soda, and energy drinks. Number 7. Processed junk foods. Packaged snacks, chips, instant noodles, and fast food may seem tempting during pregnancy, but they are not good for your baby. These foods are high in unhealthy fats, excess salt, and preservatives, which can lead to excessive weight gain and gestational diabetes. Instead, choose fresh fruits, homemade snacks, and healthy meals to provide essential nutrients for your baby's growth. Number 8. Unwashed fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables is essential for a healthy pregnancy, but they must be properly washed. Unwashed produce can contain pesticides and bacteria like Toxoplasma and Listeria. These can cause foodborne illnesses that might affect your baby's development. Always wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water before consuming them. Number 9. Alcohol. Alcohol is extremely dangerous during pregnancy and should be completely avoided. Even small amounts can harm your baby's brain and cause birth defects or fetal alcohol syndrome. There is no safe level of alcohol during pregnancy, so it's best to stay away from it completely. If you crave a refreshing drink, try fresh fruit juices, coconut water, or herbal teas instead. Number 10. Herbal teas and certain herbs. While herbal teas may seem like a natural choice, some herbs can trigger contractions or cause complications. Teas containing licorice root, ginseng, and certain detox blends should be avoided. Always check with your doctor before drinking any herbal tea during pregnancy. Stick to pregnancy safe teas like ginger or chamomile, but in moderation. So, now that you know which foods to avoid, you can make better choices for a safe and healthy pregnancy. Remember, your baby depends on you for proper nutrition, so always choose safe and nourishing foods. If you are unsure about any food, it's best to consult your doctor before including it in your diet. Stay healthy and take care of yourself and your little one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video with other moms to be. See you in the next video. Bye bye.